Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at this wireless keyboard and mouse. It's meant to have a more ergonomic feel and look to it. Not to mention that the mouse and the keyboard are meant to be super duper quiet. What's funny is that it claims a long battery life, but the battery life really just depends on the quality of your AA battery for the mouse and your AAA battery for the keyboard. You can see here that we're going to be lining up this keyboard and mouse with my current setup. I don't have fingernails, so it's hard for me to get this AAA battery into the keyboard. So let's go ahead and do that real quick here. And keep in mind that this keyboard and mouse do come with little wireless USB receivers that you just plug into your PC or whatever, device that you're planning to use this combo with. The mouse is a lot easier to open and get that battery in, so good up on that. And now let's do a little sound test with the mouse to start. And now for a quick little sound test with the keyboard.